Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Photos and sign in with the account that holds the images. You need the right account to remove items permanently. Once signed in, tap or click the menu and go straight to Trash. This is where deleted items sit for up to 60 days. Make sure your device is online so deletions sync to Google servers. Otherwise, they may only remove locally and reappear. Now you're at the Trash view and ready to select items to remove for good. Once in Trash, select the photos or videos you want to permanently delete by tapping and holding on mobile or using checkboxes on desktop. This lets you choose multiple items quickly. If you want everything gone, you select All for a bulk operation, but preview first because permanent delete cannot be undone. Make sure you understand that deleting here frees storage immediately. Once chosen, confirm the permanent delete option. If some items are backed up elsewhere, double-check before you remove them. After selecting items, choose Delete Permanently and accept the confirmation. This action removes files from Google Photos Trash and can't be undone. Give the app or web client a moment to sync so your account reflects freed storage, then verify in storage settings if you need proof. If something goes wrong, items reappear or deletion fails, make sure you're in the correct Google account, force sync or sign out/in, clear the app cache, and update the Photos app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.